Travel hacks, save time and money. Planning a trip soon? Don't worry. These travel hacks will help you save time, money, and stress throughout your journey. Whether it's booking flights. Flight booking hacks. Hack 1. Use incognito mode. Always search for flights in incognito mode. Or, clear your cookies before booking. Websites track your visits and may increase prices. Hack 2. Set fare alerts. Sign up for airline newsletters and fare alerts to catch the lowest prices. Hack 3. Flexible dates equals cheap flights. Flexible with dates. Use flight comparison apps like Google Flights or Skyscanner to find the cheapest day to fly. Hack 4. Compare before booking. Use price comparison tools like Booking.com to find deals. Packing hacks for a smooth trip. Now, let's talk about packing efficiently. Less stress, less hassle. Hack 5. Roll, don't fold. Traveler rolling clothes into a suitcase and using travel-sized containers. Hack 6. Versatile clothing equals fewer clothes. Pack versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched for multiple outfits. Hack 7. Stay charged on the go. Don't forget to carry a power bank and universal adapter. They're lifesavers. Must-have travel apps. Hack 8. Offline maps equals no worries. Use Google Maps offline to navigate without data. Just download maps of your destination beforehand. Hack 9. Stay updated on flights. Get real-time flight updates with FlightAware and track your bookings using TripIt. Hack 10. Convert before you buy. Use currency converter apps like XE Currency to avoid overpaying while shopping. So there you have it. Simple travel hacks to save you time and money. Whether you're flying, staying in a new city, or just packing for the road, these tips will keep things hassle-free. If these hacks help you, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tip.